The alarm blares, not as a gentle call to a new day, but as a starting pistol for a race you feel you are already losing. Parent in bed rubbing eyes, soft morning sunlight through curtains. Parent throwing off covers and running out, motion blur implying frantic energy. Before your eyes are fully open, the mental checklist begins to scroll. School lunches, that permission slip, the 9 a.m. meeting you haven't prepared for. Messy kitchen counter, half-eaten toast, stuck, spilled milk, scattered papers, coffee machine in background, hot coffee splashes across your clean shirt and the floor. There is no time to change, no time to clean it properly. Each question and command drains a little more of your precious energy. Phone vibrates on counter, showing urgent email, while parent reaches juggling child's coat. You feel a familiar tightness in your chest. You are doing everything for everyone, yet you feel like you are failing at it all. You slump against the closed door for a single, precious second of silence. But the relief is fleeting, clock ticking. You look at the clock, and a fresh wave of panic hits you. You are late. Again. You haven't had a proper breakfast. You haven't had a moment to simply breathe. The day has barely begun, and you are already running on empty, feeling completely and utterly depleted before you have even started your workday. Quick montage of diverse parents and family situations showing similar morning chaos. This relentless morning rush sets the tone for the entire day. It starts a chain reaction of stress, exhaustion, and reactive decisions. You promise yourself that tomorrow will be different, but tomorrow the same chaos unfolds, trapping you in a cycle that's hard to break. You love your family, you are dedicated to your work, but you are left with nothing for yourself. This constant state of depletion is not a personal failing. It is a predictable outcome of modern parenthood. This perpetual exhaustion is a real physiological response to chronic stress. Your daily life triggers a fight or flight response, flooding your system with stress hormones. This makes your body crave quick energy, so you reach for sugary foods. This creates a brief energy spike, followed by a dramatic crash, the blood sugar roller coaster that fuels the cycle of exhaustion. What if I told you that you could reclaim your energy, not in an hour at the gym or with a complicated new diet, but in just 5 minutes a day? We are conditioned to believe that meaningful change requires huge effort and sacrifice. I have seen time and time again that the smallest, most consistent actions have the most profound impact on our health. This is the principle behind the 5-minute revolution. It is not about adding more to your plate. It is about using tiny pockets of time you already have in a more intentional and powerful way. The goal is progress, not perfection. The beauty of a 5-minute strategy is that it completely bypasses your brain's resistance to change. When you think about starting a new hour-long workout routine, your mind immediately comes up with a dozen reasons why you can't do it. But 5 minutes? Anyone can find 5 minutes. It is so small, so manageable, that it feels easy to start. And by starting, you create momentum. That tiny action sends a powerful signal to your brain and body that you are taking back control. These 5-minute habits are designed to be health snacks. Just as you might have a small snack to tide you over between meals, these are small nourishing activities you can sprinkle throughout your day to sustain your physical and mental energy. They are not meant to replace deep restorative practices, but to act as buffers against the relentless demands of your day. Think of them as anchors of calm and energy in the midst of a storm. A 5-minute breathing exercise at your desk, a quick protein-rich snack you prepared earlier, a moment of stretching before bed. These are the things that prevent your energy from plummeting. Let's redesign your chaotic morning with a simple 5-minute routine. First, as your feet hit the floor, take 3 deep breaths to calm your nervous system. Next, hydrate with a large glass of water to wake up your body. For fuel, grab a pre-prepared nutritious breakfast. Finally, set your intention with a single word. Breathe, hydrate, fuel, intend. This transforms your day from reactive chaos to proactive calm. The 5-minute morning routine is your foundation, but you can use these health snacks to build resilience throughout your entire day. When you feel that familiar tension building, your jaw clenching, your shoulders rising toward your ears, it is time for a 2-minute stress reset. Simply close your eyes and focus on your breath. Place a hand on your belly and feel it rise and fall. This micro break interrupts the stress cycle, lowers your cortisol levels, and allows you to return to your task with a clearer, calmer mind. Meal prep is not just for breakfast. It is your secret weapon against the afternoon energy crash. During the week, you can assemble a healthy, satisfying salad or grain bowl in less than 5 minutes. As the day winds down, the transition from work life to family life can be jarring. Create a 5-minute transition ritual. Listening to a specific song in the car, sitting in your driveway for a few minutes, changing out of your work clothes as soon as you get home. This small act creates a mental boundary, allowing you to leave work stress behind and be more present with your family. Finally, quality sleep is non-negotiable for energy. An effective evening routine does not have to be long and complicated. An hour before bed, dim the lights, put away all screens. Instead, spend 5 minutes doing gentle stretches, reading a few pages of a real book, writing down 3 things you are grateful for. This calms your mind and prepares your body for deep, restorative rest, ensuring you wake up feeling refreshed and ready for your 5-minute morning routine. I remember speaking with Sarah, a mother of 2, a marketing manager. She described her mornings as pure survival mode. She started with just one thing, the glass of lemon water before her coffee. Within a week, she noticed she felt less sluggish in the morning. I'm not yelling at the kids anymore. We actually have conversations. At work, her focus improved dramatically. Then there is Mark, a single father working in IT. His biggest challenge was the evening. He started using his commute to listen to a podcast, implemented 5-minute meal prep, started a pre-bedtime routine where they read side by side. I realized I was waiting for the perfect time to be a better dad. These 5-minute tricks taught me I can do it right now, in the middle of the mess. These stories show that small changes create powerful ripple effects, improving not just your energy, but your mood, your focus, and your family life. You have seen how the daily grind wears you down. Most importantly, you now see there is a practical, achievable way out. You do not need to wait for a long holiday, for the kids to be older, or for your workload to magically decrease. You can start to reclaim your energy, your focus, and your health right now in just 5 minutes a day. Choose just one of the 5-minute strategies we have discussed. Which one feels easiest? The 3 deep breaths when you wake up? The glass of water before your coffee? The 2-minute stress reset at your desk? Pick one and commit to trying it for the next 3 days. To make this journey even easier, I have put together the 5-minute parent health blueprint with checklists, meal prep ideas, and more tips. It is my gift to you. Download your free blueprint today and take the first simple, powerful step towards unlocking all-day energy. Your journey to real health starts now.